So how do we find the volume of a cuboid? Remember, the volume is how much we could fill it with, the inside. If it's made of cubes, how many cubes there are that made it. And to find the volume of a cuboid, we have to do the width times the height times the length. So, you can see in the diagram below the width, the height and the length. And if we use the example on the right, so the width of the rectangle is 6, the height is 5 and the length is 10. And because this is a multiplication, it doesn't matter which order I do it in. I can do 6 times 5 times 10. I can do 5 times 6 times 10, 10 times 5 times 6. It makes no difference. So I'm going to do 6 times 5 times 10. 6 times 5 is 30, times 10 is 300. My units are centimetres. And because this is volume, it is centimetres cubed with a small 3. So when I do area or surface area, it is squared. But for volume, my answer is always cubed. Have a go at these two examples. Remember, you just need to do width times length times height. Although it doesn't matter if you do height times length or width, as long as you multiply the 3 together. And your answer must always be cubed with the small 3. If you pause this recording, have a go, and then the answers are on the next slide. To find the volume of other prisms, like the triangular prism below, is tricky, but it's not impossible. You just need to remember to find the area of the cross section, which is the face that you have each end of the prism. So if you look at the triangular prism before, I would need to find the area of that orange triangle. Once I found that area, I just multiply it by the length of the shape. Remember, if you cannot remember how to find the area of the cross section, use the area video from Edmodo, and that will remind you how to find the area of a circle or a triangle or even a trapezium or a parallelogram.